Good morning, grade 7. Now, sometimes it so happens that many operations come together, alright, in a expression. Then how to evaluate is a question. First of all, let us see what do you mean by mathematical expression. So what do you mean by expression? It is simply an arrangement of numbers expressed using the signs of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Alright, so sometimes there are many operations coming together. Like in this example, see you have multiplication, division, plus. If so many operations are coming together, then how to solve that expression or how to evaluate that expression is the question. So for that, some rules are assigned. So there are two famous rules. Let's see both of them. Both are correct. Whichever is easy for you, you can go for it. Alright. So rules for simplifying an expression. First is very simple rule. Always go from left to right. But first preference should be either multiplication or division. That means you move from here left to right. Which is coming first? First give preference to multiplication or division. And then your choice should be addition or subtraction. So in multiplication and division you can solve anything which is coming first while moving from left to right. So if I am moving from left to right, in this case multiplication is coming first. Alright, so I have done multiplication first. So 40 into 10 is 400 and then comes division. So again in plus and division sign is there. So always first preference should be multiplication or division. So in this now division is there. So I am doing this division, I got 80 and then I will do addition, I got 97. So first rule is what? First is either do multiplication or division, whichever is coming first, moving from left to right. Then do addition or subtraction. Again same. Whichever is coming first, moving from left to right. Simple rule. Of course, if there are brackets, you have to solve bracket first. Now second rule is of BODMAS rule. BODMAS rule states what? First always solve the brackets. That is true for this also. Second is if there is off word in between. For example, if you have 30% of 20. Then it is what? 30% of means multiplication. Percent means what? Upon 100. And of means multiplication into 2. Now here I have used only one operation over here. Of is multiplication. But if you have multiple operations and in that once word of is coming, of indicates what? Of means multiplication. So I have written over here. Alright. So in that case you have to solve of word. Take out that of word first. How will you take out that off word? By putting multiplication sign. Okay. So BODMAS tells first solve the bracket. Then solve off word. Now while solving the bracket, if there is big bracket and inside there is mathematical expression, you have to follow these rules. What BODMAS says? First always do division. Then do multiplication. Then do addition. And then do subtraction. Okay. So moving from left and right doesn't occur over here. First is solve bracket, second is take out that off word by putting multiplication sign. Then if operations are remaining, then first always you have to solve division, then multiplication, then addition, then subtraction. This is what BODMAS says. So let us say how to do via BODMAS, but answer you see is coming same. Alright, here also I have taken the same problem. According to BODMAS, now bracket is not there, off word is not there. So let us go for this. So according to BODMAS, division should be solved first. So 10 divided by 5 is 2. So 40 into 2 becomes 80. And again 80 plus 17 becomes 97. So whether you follow these rules or you follow these rules, answer will be same. Alright. Okay. So let's solve the problem so it will be easy for you. Now see here first problem. 50 into 5 divided by 2 plus 24. Let us follow BODMAS. So according to BODMAS, division should be done first. So I am putting 50 as it is, into sign as it is, 5 divided by 2. It is dividing 5 by 2 or making half of 5. Half of 5 is what? 2.5 plus 24. Now in multiple operations, multiplication should come first. 50 into 2.5 is nothing but 125. Because 5 into 25 is 125 and this 0 over here. After one number point is there. Are you understanding? And plus 24. So it is as good as 125 plus 24. This is 125 plus 24 which is equal to 149. Is it clear? Let's go for the next problem. Now let's go to the second example. 13 into 4 divided by 2 minus 26. Now always brackets first we have to solve. We are following BODMAS, alright. So solve the bracket first. What you get? 52 divided by 2 minus 26. 13 fours are 52. Now in this, division should be solved first. 52 divided by 2 is 26. 26 minus 26 is 0. Done. Now look at this third problem. 140 divided by, this is complete bracket, and in that small brackets are there. What is the rule? Solve the bracket first. Alright. So we are going to solve these small brackets first. This big bracket I am keeping as it is. 140 is over here. Division sign as it is. Now see, first you solve the bracket. Alright. So minus 11 into minus 3. Minus into minus will be plus. 11 into 3 is 33. Open up this bracket. Minus into minus is plus 42. Alright. So this brackets we have solved. This bracket we have solved. Now we got divided by 14 and minus 1. Now here no brackets are there. We have plus sign, division sign and minus sign. According to BODMAS, division should be solved first. So 42 divided by 14. This I have solved first. Now I got 3. 33 over here, minus 1 over here. Now in this, addition should be solved first according to BODMAS. 33 plus 3 is 6, minus 1. 33 minus 1, now open this bracket, 35. Now come to division. So because why we are doing division last? Because division is out of the bracket. So this bracket has to be solved first. Alright. So 140 divided by 35 is 4. Is it clear? Now you'll ask over here, why don't you do this division first? We can't do division first because first we have to solve the brackets. Alright. First open up the brackets and then go to the sign. Very easy. Okay. Stick to rules. That's it. Let's go to the next problem. Now let's go to the fourth problem. Can you see this big bracket? Inside that you have one small bracket. It is again put into another bracket and you have one other small bracket. So first, according to BODMAS, solve the brackets first. So we are going to solve this bracket. 220 minus 140 is 80. Plus, now we will solve this bracket. But inside this, there is one more bracket. So 2 into 5 is 10. Plus, minus into plus is minus. So we got minus 10. Minus 100 as it is. Now here also two signs are coming together. So I have put here bracket. Okay. Plus into minus is again minus 10. So 10 into 9 minus 10. This becomes one bracket. Here plus 80, again blue bracket, minus 100. Again solve this bracket first. Which bracket is inside another bracket? You have to solve that inside bracket first. Now here you have two signs, multiplication and subtraction. According to BODMAS, multiplication should be solved first. So 10 into 9 is 90, minus 10. So this becomes one bracket. Here plus 80 covered into blue bracket, minus 100. Now again you have 80, 90 minus 10 is 80. Into blue bracket, minus 100. Again solve the bracket first. 80 plus 80 is 160. Now open. 160 minus 100 is 60. Follow the rules. You will never go wrong. Okay. Is it clear? You may pause the video and take down all the problems. Now let's do the last problem from this exercise. Fifth one. Now let's go for last problem. 3 upon 5 plus 3 upon 8 divided by 6 upon 4. According to BODMAS, division should be solved first. So I am converting this division into multiplication. How do you do it? It is 3 upon 8 because I won't be able to cut no if division is there. So I am doing into and you have to take reciprocal of this. 4 upon 6. Now 4 ones are, 4 twos are, 3 ones are and 3 twos are. So 3 upon 5 as it is, plus sign as it is. Now solve multiplication first. 1 into 1, 1. Upon 2 into 2, 4. Numerator into numerator upon denominator into denominator. That is the rule for multiplication of fractions. Alright. Okay. Now you have to solve this plus sign. You can cross multiply. So 3 into 4 plus 1 into 5 upon 5 into 4. 3 fours are 12. 5 ones are 5 upon 20. So that is as good as 12 plus 5. 17 upon 20. Is this clear? Okay. So this is the end of our fifth topic, students. Please see that your notebooks are complete and you are revising yourselves. Alright. So you may pause the video and take down all the problems very neatly in your notebook. That's all from my side for today. Thank you.